Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to understand a new method of multiplication called the lattice multiplication. Very traditional way. We had learned a highly traditional method of multiplication. Today, let us see how we can multiply with a different method. Say for example, I have to multiply 45 and 34. For this, I will make a box with 4 squares because I have 4 digits here in my question. Then I will divide each box into 2 equal halves by joining the opposite points of the squares, as you can see in this empty box. Now, to multiply 45 and 34, I will have to write one number here on the top and one number here on the right hand side, like this. Now, one by one I will multiply and write the answer in the boxes provided below. 5 3s are 15. Write the answer in the box below 5. 4 3s are 12. Write the answer in the box given below. 4 4s are 16. Write the answer in the box below 4 and beside the horizontal 4. 5 4s are 20. Write the answer in the box below 5 and beside 4. Now we start adding. At the lowermost end of the box, I am having only a single 0. Then I will add the digits which I am having above it. I will add 5, 2 and 6 together. What I will get? I will get and I will get 1 on the top. How to write the answer, children? First of all, I write the ones place 0. Now at the tens place I am having 13. 3 will remain here and 1 will go to the carry. So 4 and 1, 5. And 1 I will copy down as it is. So what is my final answer here, students? My final answer is 1530. This is the way we do the multiplication sum when we have to do in the lattice multiplication. Dear children, I would like to define here that this exercise we are not supposed to do in our classwork copies. This will be done as a project. I am going to assign this particular project to one of the groups and the students are going to depict in their own way the lattice multiplication, taking any example. I will just summate it once again. I am having a 2-digit multiplication 45 into 34. I will make an empty box having 4 squares of equal size. Then I will divide each square into 2 equal halves by drawing a line which is called a diagonal line which joins the opposite points of the square. After that, I keep on multiplying single digit by single digit and write the answer at the empty box provided down. Like 5 3s are 15, I have written here. 4 3s are 12 is written in the box below 4. 4 4s are 16 is written in the box below 4, second column. And 5 4s are 20 is written below 5 in the second column. And write whatever we get. Then we write at the ones place whatever number we are having here. If there is a carryover, it goes to the next position. 3 remains here, 1 goes to carry, 4 and 1, 5 and 1 at the thousands place. So what is my net answer? 1530. So dear students, all the other sums in this exercise need to be practiced in your rough copies and the project to be made by the allotted group. Thank you.